Hello students, now we'll be going ahead with our chapter moving charges and magnetism. Now what we will study? We will study about different methods of knowing the direction of force. Okay, we already studied one method, that is of screw method. Okay, now second method is Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, don't get confused with left hand and right hand. Okay, so in left hand rule we have three fingers: thumb, forefinger and the middle finger. Okay, you need to have thumb, forefinger and the middle finger. Okay, now the steps in this are: first, forefinger should be in the direction of magnetic field. For example, the magnetic field is given to you, you need to show this finger in the direction of magnetic. For example, if it is in this direction, you need to show in this direction. If it is above, if it is below, if it is backward, if it is forward. Okay, you need to, first thing is you need to align this forefinger in the direction of magnetic field. Okay, the second one is middle finger. Okay, the middle finger has to be in the direction of current, or you can say the motion of positive charge. Mark this, it should be motion of positive charge. If the charge is negative, you need to reverse the direction of the force. Okay, so your middle finger need to be in the direction of velocity or the current. Okay, so if this is magnetic field, this can be your velocity. Okay, depending on the requirement. Means your middle finger has to be in the direction of motion of charge, or you can say it should be in the direction of velocity. Okay, so if you arrange these two things, then what will happen? The third, that is thumb will show you the direction of force. Okay, if you align this in the direction of magnetic field, middle finger in the direction of velocity, then automatically your thumb will show you that it is in the direction of force. Okay, so here I have drawn, this is your thumb, let us say name it F, that is for force. Your forefinger, that is B, okay, that is direction of magnetic field, and I, that is direction of current, or you can say the velocity. So to remember, I have drawn it like FBI. Okay, thumb shows F, that is force, forefinger shows B, that is magnetic field, and middle finger shows current, that is direction of motion. Okay, so we'll try to solve few examples so that you can understand about it. Okay, so first one, here you can see magnetic field is going inside, as it is X, it is going inside. So what I need to do, I need to use my left hand, okay, to show that magnetic field is going inside. Which finger? My forefinger has to go inside. Okay, now what is the direction of velocity? Direction of velocity is this way. Okay, so I am pointing my forefinger in this direction, my middle finger in the direction of magnetic field. Okay, then what will happen? My middle finger in the direction of velocity. Then my thumb will show the direction of force. So what will the force direction? Direction of force will be this. Force will be acting in the upward direction. See, magnetic field, first finger, that is forefinger, in the direction that is inwards towards the board. Then this shows the direction of velocity or the current, and thumb shows the direction of force. Okay, so can you understand it? Okay, we'll try to solve second example. What does this dot show? That the magnetic field is outside. Okay, it is coming outside the plane. Okay, so what will be done? My forefinger I will align in the direction of magnetic field, that is this. Okay, then what? Velocity is in that direction. Okay, so I need to put this that side. Okay, so can I do it this way? Okay, my velocity, this is my magnetic field, this is my velocity. Then the thumb will show me the direction of force. So magnetic field, velocity and force. So the force will be in downward direction. Okay, I hope this much is very clear to you. Now here it is shown that magnetic field is in this direction. Okay, magnetic field is in this direction, and velocity or the current is in upward direction. So I need to show it this way. Okay, magnetic field and velocity. Okay, then my thumb will show me the direction of force. Where is thumb pointing? Thumb is pointing towards the board, or inside or inward plane. Okay, so what I will do, the direction of force will be this, that is going inwards towards the blackboard. Okay, now we'll take one more example, that is fourth example. In this magnetic field, my first finger, magnetic field is in upward direction, velocity that is in that direction. Okay, so this is velocity in that direction, and my thumb will show me the direction of force. Okay, so what does that mean? Thumb is coming outside. Okay, so the direction of force will be out of the plane. Okay, I hope you can understand this. That is all about the Fleming's left hand rule.